What if everything you've been working toward, your career, your skills, your experience, suddenly stopped mattering? Not slowly, not over years, but almost overnight. What if the biggest threat to your future isn't failure, but replacement? Because right now something is happening that most people still don't fully understand. AI isn't coming for jobs, it's already here. Doctors using AI to diagnose faster than humans, writers being replaced by machines that never run out of ideas, engineers watching code generate itself in seconds, even decision makers, roles once considered untouchable, are being reshaped in real time. And here's the part that should really make you stop and think. This isn't a prediction anymore, it's a transition already in progress. So the real question is no longer, will AI replace humans? It's this: will you still matter in a world where machines can do almost everything? Stay with me, because what you're about to hear might completely change how you see your future. Chapter 7, The Illusion of Security. Let's start with something uncomfortable. Most people today believe their jobs are safe because they've built experience, studied for years, and work hard to reach stability. But here's the truth nobody likes to hear. Security today is often just an illusion. AI doesn't compete the way humans do. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't need breaks. It doesn't lose focus. And it doesn't forget what it learned yesterday. And most importantly, it doesn't stop improving. Every day, it becomes faster, sharper, and more efficient. And unlike previous technology, AI is not just replacing manual work, it's replacing thinking itself. That's the shift most people are missing, because when thinking becomes automated, experience alone is no longer protection. Think about your own work. How much of it follows patterns, repeated actions, predictable decisions? Because if it does, AI is already learning it. So ask yourself honestly, if your job depends on repetition, how long before AI does it better? If this is already changing how you think, comment below, I'm ready for the future. Chapter 6. AI is not just a tool anymore. For a long time we believed technology was something we controlled, just a tool that follows instructions. But AI is fundamentally different because it doesn't just follow commands, it learns, adapts, and improves itself continuously. This means we are no longer just using machines. We are interacting with systems that can process patterns and simulate decision-making at scale. From writing code to diagnosing diseases to generating creative content, AI is no longer assisting humans. It's starting to replace decision-making itself, and that's where everything shifts. Because once machines begin making decisions, humans are no longer the only intelligence driving outcomes. Imagine two systems, one powered only by human effort and one powered by AI-enhanced intelligence. The second system moves faster, makes fewer mistakes, and scales endlessly. So naturally, it dominates. That's the reality forming right now, and it leads to one powerful question. If machines can think, decide, and act, then what becomes the unique role of humans in this new system? Chapter 5. The Speed of Disruption. Here's what most people underestimate: the speed at which everything is changing. Previous revolutions unfolded over decades, giving people time to adapt, but AI is accelerating change at a pace we've never seen before. Entire industries are shifting in months, sometimes even weeks, and jobs are not disappearing gradually, they are becoming irrelevant almost overnight. A skill that once required years of practice can now be replicated instantly by AI, and unlike humans, it keeps improving without rest. This means time is no longer something you can rely on, because by the time you master something, it may already be outdated. Think about it carefully. Would you invest years into learning something if you knew it might not exist in 5 years? This is the reality many people are beginning to face. The world is moving faster than traditional systems like education can keep up with, and those who fail to adapt quickly risk being left behind. If you believe education must evolve for this future, hit like right now. Chapter 4. What AI can't do, yet. Now here's where things take an important turn. AI is powerful, but it is not human. It does not feel emotions, it does not experience life, and it does not truly understand meaning beyond data patterns. It processes information, but it does not live it. Humans still have something AI cannot fully replicate: creativity, emotion, adaptability, and a sense of purpose. These are not just abilities, they are advantages, but only if they are used intentionally. Because the reality is that average-level skills are disappearing first. Basic writing, basic coding, and routine analysis are all becoming automated. and this means the future will no longer reward average effort. Instead, it will reward depth, originality, and the ability to think beyond patterns. So the real advantage is not just having skills, but using uniquely human strengths in ways that machines cannot replicate, and those who fail to develop these strengths will find themselves replaced by systems that can outperform them in predictable tasks. Chapter 3. The divide is coming. The future will not impact everyone equally, and this is where the real divide begins. As AI continues to advance, society will separate into two groups: those who understand AI and use it as a tool to enhance their abilities, and those who ignore it and fall behind. This is not about fear, it is about reality, because AI itself will not replace everyone, but people who use AI effectively will replace those who do not. That is the shift happening right now across industries. The gap between these two groups will continue to grow, creating a world where opportunity is concentrated among those who adapt. This means the most important decision is not whether AI will grow, but whether you will grow with it. So the question becomes clear and unavoidable. Which side are you on? If you're ready to adapt, comment below, I choose to adapt. Chapter 2. Redefining human value. So if AI can handle most tasks more efficiently than humans, what becomes the value of being human? The answer lies in a shift from doing tasks to creating meaning. The future will not reward people simply for completing work. It will reward those who think differently, create new ideas, lead change, and solve problems that AI cannot define on its own. This means human value is evolving from execution to direction. People who succeed in this new world will not just be skilled, they will be aware of how systems work, aware of how change happens, and aware of how to adapt continuously. Because survival in the AI-driven world is not about memorizing information, it is about evolving with the environment. Those who understand this shift will find opportunity, while those who resist it will struggle to keep up with a system that no longer rewards static knowledge. Chapter 1. The real truth about AI. So are humans becoming useless? No, but the version of humans that rely only on routine, repetition, and predictable thinking is disappearing rapidly. This is not the end of human relevance, it is the transformation of it. The world no longer needs humans for tasks that can be automated, but it still needs humans for vision, direction, and innovation. This means the real challenge is not competing with AI, but evolving alongside it. Those who cling to outdated ways of thinking will struggle, while those who embrace change will find new opportunities. In many ways, this moment represents not the decline of human value, but the beginning of a new definition of it, where adaptability becomes the most important skill of all. So now I want to ask you something. If everything changes, will you change with it? Because the future is not waiting, AI is not slowing down, and every day the gap between those who adapt and those who don't continues to grow. The choice is yours, and it starts with awareness. If you found this video valuable, like this video, comment your thoughts below, share it with someone who needs to see this, and subscribe for more insights on the future of technology. And most importantly, thank you for staying with us till the very last minute, because the people who stay until the end are the ones who are preparing for what comes next.